Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to create custom invite invitation. Now if you want to create the custom invite invitation but you don't know how to do it, and this is the video for you, so simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now creating a custom invite invitation on Evite allows you to personalize the look and feel for your event. Now here is how you can create a custom invite invitation. The first thing which you need to do is install the Evite app on a device. So if you have not installed, you may install it by App Store or Play Store on a device. So open the Evite app on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, you may log in by using the username and password. Now to custom invite the people, you may simply start a new event, and here you will see the option of popular categories, where you will see option like adult, birthday and all other things. So select the option which you think is suitable for you, and from here you need to choose the template. So here you will see the option of premium also, so you may select the option of free template, or if you have premium you may select the premium templates also. Now you need to simply change the name and all. If you want to change, you may click on the option of edit and click on the option of next if you have already done all of it. Here you need to write the event title, your time and all of it, and this is the name which you have hosted by it. You may also add the guest of your honor, add the location, or you may also add the note from the host, and you may also add the option of what to bring list if you click on this, which is currently off. So these are the desired items and quantities below, so you may write the quantities and the number of things which you want to bring. So click on the option of next, which is the option of gifting, so you may add the option of gifting and all of the things. You may go back again and you may also change the color scheme, add photos or videos, add text, add custom message and all of the things. You may also add custom RSVP option. You may upload the custom background or image on a device. You may preview and edit, and at last you may add the guest on your Evite invitation app, and you may send the invitation to the guest on a device. So that's it. That's how you can send the customized invitation on Evite invitation. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.